Abusia ya critical na ya Blôôdy yankasa ni na maame Akosua Serwaa wofa abusia ya fla ne se wofa Boateh abusia me ne okasa die papa nani abere pa ye ni na ne se wo se papa Ex-Abusuapanyi kofi wusu ene ama aso oye no isim sa se be ma bia eni abusia ni mu ene nam so a ama Ex-Abusuapanyi kofi wusu ne ma ope ni na ne se yase Ex-Abusuapanyi ni akoka no ba bi se sika wodi ama maame Akosua Serwaa wofa Boateh no enye sika ketwa eno na papa ne se kapre krampo no onfa bi mmele no abusia ne yase papa ne dwalai pa awo na Ex-Abusuapanyi dada kofi wusu se wonim wonim no kogina baby koko kansa asem na won kan hu se expose a wode be fa no hode aba abonte no enye keto afia no da nkyere nso a enye expose no nko expose na chi no one Boateh ni be hwese e be che Ex-Abusuapanyi dada kofi wusu ede na atum abusia ensewi ba no legal wife for akasa e wo ho na mepese obeka me ho akwaji nkyere ma haguso yeke black media abuja baby a wo hwe me bia wo haw ne amane kodan na bia da eda wo su bia no bomode se onimi be di nkomo ye de samna nwanwaso bi aba e frene se eye sika kokko na gold samna wo haw bia da eda wo su bia wo hia sa samna we se bi afi wo ye bema wo hwe me wo bema sam wo fo wo bema ye ketwa brabeji bula matali eduro bi na wo bema enye kese watimi abo adwuma nso ache e wo empem ye de akwankyere bi aba abuzua no ye hwehwe wo hyebrem a ye frene se mpelifo akwankyere ana se wo betima frene back to sender onipa bi ha onipa bi tata wato bet e wo ho se wo se ne tibi obeku bomode so be fa numbers ne go screen ase na woni mi akasa me hwehwe wo hyebrem wi a me bomode se me kire wo ne wo beye
so in this case no money ye mienu no na so bani e ba akokra Ex-Abusuapanyi no does he still take care of a money cause he's on 1 year and every I'm just asking for the knowledge of it.
That's all baba
I said na omo monthly upkeep allowance or beya cause he say omo beya 1 year and every and what time does it end?
Amamre kwan so no oba kunafo ne ebo na kohoma na se bi oba no kra medi kuna na be dan kobo na kohoma me nuaba Ex-Abusuapanyi ko YouTube na no UTV sika kro de koma maame no ne wofa Boateh papa no deny say wonya sika me aka say papa wo phone so papa no ko heba so
ya ne be Akosua hantimenka but me be ameka no
enti ono aka sa ko he no sika ba so ti se be nkrofo ene omo deal no aye wa ma kuna wa medi amamre kwansku abusua ne kwat mi jaa odadada who said the man has been very lenient me Ex-Abusuapanyi ni ba ku bia menim no wura tinyame obe jaa won tentem kra ma wo de won sem akọ because be ma no ware no ni ho the only connection that won abusua ne ntem no I say respect cordial relation na wo de Ex-Abusuapanyi ko gina court up kanta magu Ex-Abusuapanyi ne so udi junction beto Ex-Abusuapanyi na sabi ye no anense na amena yamfa nkyena mu yamfa ne die ma de ne die sa no se emremu amamre mu abusua betima ka cho se yama wonni kuna abusua can tell you ti se obi nim asante amamre a ene amane a ye benya adaje a kirew Ex-Abusuapanyi ni eye na fam de ma me no pie free ho no no yenya bibia mayo yente nenka wabaga na so many times ehunu no kura tisabe yodium ya manemre ebia da bi ono ankasa na dwene beba ne ho so am na hu se abusua na oware wo mu no se bia ni mfumso bia asem bia me breaking ne nese ensa na ma me de beja aware no me ankasa ma hu bi ensa na da ho e be breaking ne nra tisabe ye kansem ne kansem nyina but nyina mu we are sitting on a time bomb nyanyame ya doma no kribi wom do bedadwa.
So Alex, I still have a follow-up question. My question is so bano let's say so oye you know ye kuna and all I'm speaking when all things being equal why ye bibia Ex-Abusuapanyi no be hwe no akosi so mbeye 1 year anyway is that what the custom is?
So Alex.
Come on, what's him Anna?
I'm at the okay and pan as Alex na mention can see me say yeah. Why be
Yeah,
can.
because that means
me pacho utimeka.
Me too can.
Me say amamre mu nka kuna wonko ba bia no sia kora ba wompie.
Okay.
Nka wo dem.
Okay.
Me a wodi semina wudware nyina no sebe ye nware o semina wudware dada. Because ye pam woni bema no ne ho sasa. Ye tete woni ntam. Ni amawatimi anya wunya kunu aware no. Afishiada no so a. Na we wonya kuna no wie ya. Ebe dan ne dan. Anajo no gina badwa mu sa. US.
Alex, you're not answering my question.
Alex, Obisa says, so Francis, I know more winning our year. At what point in the Abusuapanyi talk money or the mom or send you become at the Boateh or so well. At what point in Obi Jaitia? After 1 year.
I feel ye gun sani amamre an kebeba wiye.
Okay.
But because sebe aye yintimi enya ho hwe.
Okay. Thank you.
What you say?
Matthias, yeah.
O say o pese ubisa ne say so ye ni nyina da bi wanye ni nyina.
In this case never
let's
in this case never say ma me na anye for Odobroni na ye. See at what point e be tell Odobroni chop money man.
Yeah.
Afinchiada no ye gun sa wi e be jai ma me no nyina. E ho no.
Let's pentoko o.
Hey, so yes send the money.
Send them for the
to me I
said to my girlfriend oh but them ye die.
Oh, don't I know the or be protect to us or no be protect to pa.
I said more yani achim for na epe.
Say Alex, but you me some question no.
Matemini aba.
But no sanda man we tribe be.
Oh, mama na me tribe one sem na be keken.
Also we sanda man ni mati di no but me na mpese me bisa. Sorry, some person be answer that's fine.
Okay. Sande man na mate se meka no. Me na ma choose sande man na me ye sande man ti. Mpacho man na Hawaii. Man na Hawaii. Obi actually no den Ghana.
I can answer her. She knows she should ask me, but I will answer her. Sandema is in the Upper East region. We are the Bulses.
Silas.
So somebody like, if you hear a name like Azantilo, Abakisi, Afoko, that is Sandema for you. We are Upper East, right after Navrongo.
Okay, thank you.
Silas.
Nana.
Should I presume that Abusuapanyi is away Odobroni akoma?
Oh, say amamre ne amane kwanso no. De ntia no mo ye ne saa ne se. Oba ne nya dwuma na onye bibia. Saa de na ekoso. Enye sika bia. But amamre kwanso se ne oma bi ekoso saa wada roma. Unless be oba na kase bia. If they are well to do and I say they're already running businesses near there, they will tell you say here. What do you say?
Okay.
If I show Prestige, no question no.
Say.
If I show yeah, share that name content of 4 letters now or Hiniba air canon, but the Obeka wa hand say omo de beko court. But obeti me the letter I know ni say such letters no the other plaintiff and I said defendant lawyers no will not get the chance to cross examine. What would be the weight of a letter from a third party or any part of a suit be in a suit?
Carry weight. Senior Nana Pakoto Hene, that purported letter na Mr. Brefukuta na enona a man capacity sell ye Abusuapanyi no. Sa na court ni so be treat we. So nti court ni be we 2 letters no. Ni free Kumasi Traditional Council. Any a member of the Kumasi Traditional Council. Ti we court ni be puti much weight on the Kumasi Traditional Council, which is the higher body than the ordinary member. Etumi ko record what they are. They be making influence by what is coming from the Kumasi Traditional Council now. Omo kind of clear say your papa Ebusuapanyi Tupac. And they recognize the Ebusuapanyi there. It's gonna persuade the court. The court will take it because Nimi Enukrano say bako emu duchen bako. It's a good step.
The entire maybe because of DL 11 no. The court said because DL was not there to be subpoenaed to answer on those letters no. The court cannot admit whatever the content was. They say council no they are present and they are in Kumasi. Won't it be fair say and I said in Popa Akosua letter no said they will be subpoenaed say they will come so that the other lawyers no can cross-examine them on.
No, yes, so say be other lawyers in your imagine say letter no or more doubt the authenticity of it. Then the court will take a decision on that. And to know him say the court cannot, no court has even subpoena Kumasi Traditional Council. I mean who be that? And to know if you are doubting it, the court can go into the matter and
President, I mean, sharp. I know I'm a cancer. I say we have the man. I been say, "Oh, subpoena Kumasi Traditional Council." Have the man. I mean, sharp.
So the court
yes, you because me who case be I see two for one person yes you before and I said Kumasi we yes you on before.
But on say back a group of recognized body by law and by constitution in a bakuye individual. So it is easy to subpoena an individual, but it's not easy to subpoena a body by law and by customary. Until court minimum in a bit take the burden to go to Nananum to authenticate say Sakrata na a free Ebusuapanyi eba because they say Sakrata no Ebusuapanyi na ebe tender in to the court no affirm the legitimacy. It is a who raise objection to it because of the weight of that letter and where it is coming from and pursuant to our laws no traditional and customary laws is in the Constitution, Article 11. So the court will rather go in and verify say that letter na ababe to court no authentic. So the court can place a call. The registrar, the judge can direct the registrar to place a call to NIPA or representative traditional council na wasan letter no to confirm or deny say if you wana. So kasa ania the matter ends. But say individual natural in his capacity as an individual there, then you are coming show moto as an individual. Then you are not above the law. The court will call you. What I say, but all your body there, though you are not above the law, but the court cannot call the Kumasi Traditional Council. The court will rather go and verify because of how powerful that body is. And you know, say you could do court one corner there. That's all more objective. Court never verify say if you and I say court baby say why are you objecting? And I don't think say on be objective. But what you say?
Matthias Padoka ya me the say some of us has also made the same argument. So sometimes the court has we say they will go ahead of their ways to verify information from outside, but because of AS case, no, the burden of proof. But you have shown say sometimes the court, when it comes to institution, they can go on their own way to also verify information outside.
Yeah, exactly. And exactly. What you say? No
I
asam no kan or diabolic or so say o senka her leadership echo Germany ko verify say ma na yi no certificate na authentic and authentic and you know yes.
No, but say you are comparing apples with oranges when you say that.
Sanity oh I said that no yes I know they are confused too. Wow, ma hu ne line ni na
interfere. And so that is how. So if this letter finds its way to the court, now letter me content.
Guys, the prestige, but what makes you I bet 3 days may arrange na me ma Akosua makacha Akosua.
Samo
Mr.
huya.
Oh, Damia.
Kame for na minim so for plenty min kasa. It sound better. And our sister ni me oko chire mu.
Me arikwa o enemy ku gina hani blossom opa ba na by na me see for.
Ano wo so kakra bi. Ano wo so kakra bi abeko.
How bo me dey me see ba how bo dey have arguments na yeah me dey prestige church. Dey prestige church.
And the pesa o de manisu keke. Manisu.
And then you me pacho and then you have don't be diabolic me pacho me see for me pacho.
And see for manisu and sana we see for and now see for because my baby new hands down. Okay.
Prestige baso ka betumi achieve my have beso chese o senka leadership eco Germany ko verify any Kumasi Traditional Council then I my example chese o say court no ko Germany ko verify mami certificate na.
Oh, the evidence say shamo Accra say it's not the same. It's not the same. We na akwa say Akwa say ebia Supreme Court through the Judicial Secretary actual letter. Now catch Supreme Court and say omra dance here better possible. But we no do document aba. In a document no, we say any na ma yere. So the burden of proof and the evidential burden also to prove say ona yere. So the court will only assist you by giving you time and space for you to do that. Even in the course of doing that no. So on here even letterhead and now even authority note be clear from the court. The court make it matters. Oh, don't worry. Go and see the registrar. The registrar can assist you to have that document. On say there's an institution be or for instance, kwakosre bibi omo to make a say my institution intro ne hu say omo no mu here. Those situations can come up. And when those situations come, the court can say, okay, the registrar can give you a note, say, court in here, David. Now we use this note now, but matter of this, I hear one or baby your case in the day, when I also approve. So what difficulty be out to me catch a court, and not court night there. That's how it works.
But why okay and I still nanga have a senga
Oh, watch your say why you okay intelligent yes.
Oh, probably that's it. So are you okay? Okay. I'm a cash aquabo. I'm a cash.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm a quabber.
No, that's the same.
I'm your mammy now, sir.
Yes, I don't know.
My answer on Gaka.
Oh my gosh, no dream mana.
Baby, me share me master of the family.
And then they wafa would dream at they will lunch bibia.
Okay. No, no, we share corapo for fear.
Okay, when Pesa will back as a mamma will refill near most.
When that we draw to memoir and I'm a guy, me master and basho, mommy at the for say, I then let me show me refi me there. See, TikTok.
Hey, Radim, Mama Cash. Mama Cash, not a talk.
Oh, so TikTok, name me on me, let me refi. No, never me refi, there be a what's that? Oh, who are there? Let me see.
You see, you're quite pillow, Mama Cash.
Me crapo me penusa o apilwe ebe ye de bia me pen sakurabo. Because se wankwa ye beko. Se wankwa akaye ye beko true.
Enka wo beko hefa.
Mini orobroni.
Na some of them appeal prestige. Ma to say be more cancer asem no me pacho wo. Orobroni being someone serve any notice of appeal nothing no. Assessment say
that already no Kumasi ho no.
Now obetimi akwa appeal. Yemfa ne sese ma me ka ne sese nka ma me Akosua amfale a nka obetimi. Means
so appeal there parties ni me nyina both the plaintiff and the defendant will be all right of appeal.
Minute senka sabre abakwa one file notice 6 months a trim in Castellan Cobetimi afale.
No, patcho them.
And can you too later, mano, because ono one file shade till now and see. Sanya Mamma Akosua fale right now, dear. Mama Cash and come to me in Conte, say mo. Mona Mamma Akosua sit na mon penene.
Yeah, that was he saying.
So the honor no mama quite appearance.
Akosua and to him the trade back home with my. So in the course of the matter, they can also cross the appeal. They can file what we call the cross appeal. Until the assembly course no no issue be obetumi a counter and you kind of cross appeal. But until be akwa say obidi wa court na also raise some issues.
Okay.
Also be to my answer. But say be a 6 months na twema or no so ba be yet say there mama Akosua say wa start here the day bi time dey power pa ho na dey be kan ha no one file extension am yan grant am wa power pa ho
precise number question pure me say witnesses that goes to court even so do new witness which is the one that the judge deemed credible no when a responsibility to make sure say these people are who they say they are.
Question with them.
Yeah, me training say, for instance, Papa Okujinemu as Odobroni's sister Ekonono. Some people are alleging say he's not who he says he is. And I mean because and I have a responsibility. So the check is asimesi or yasimesi ampa before he takes the stand.
Court consent them. Maybe No, sister, because some question I will not agree for that question you are asking. Me na me di ho. Me bet to me afa obi abasa no me jira mawari ese mami.
Oh, mama cash tie. Enye say nipa na oba ye ne your problem o. It's a matter of say nipa no the person that also ye no enye sa na oye any different. Prestige, but what am I say?
So, mommy answer.
I don't agree, okay?
Sir,
Papa will not agree.
Sir, what the assembly?
Everything from you, I support.
Prestige, fashion meet you.
Sir, what the assembly court? Witnesses you are first of all responsible to present a credible witness.
Okay.
One for credible witness and about one case damage case. Say a cobase credible witness no say the other party is also responsible to make that witness uncredible.
Okay.
But what by asking you questions under cross examination. So here, Deputy Attorney General said me metie Republic versus Untumi on the Serwaa boy case. No, say judge in Bema ruling on the 3rd of July. Now, share proceedings now. The Deputy Attorney General, Justice Shemstein, was fantastic. Said, share see across examine the witnesses now. Accused person no hearing want to me a friend na eno can be na my case no ye di nintam say me peka say bebre o enye kasa bebre na ye didi asemo You ask salient questions, and you ask good questions, and you ask punchy questions. Into question be over, ubit maybe send the panel back answer. You can even ask 3 questions that can seal them up for the witness. But maybe some question about me answer. Now I lock a witness. Now I send your baby Kenina. There was one witness won't to me fray. I think he was expert in mining or so. Or better now that questions are now expert to say Deputy Attorney General a baby sanano. And you know baby sano. He was surprised, and the Deputy Attorney General took on his credibility, his credential, to understand, say, on school, date or do you school, any time or do go school, no, it was inconsistent. And that was the first 2-3 questions, Yatomano. Inti Yatomano, inconsistent, no. Wow, sha, asembia ebe free nimwa bebiano. The court may, the word is may not take it serious. Because one person say, we date out the school. And then you may be a far one person with personal life for him. Say inconsistencies for more. And then a child say, I don't see our Bible, you be truthful. So you see how cross-examination is done. The Abasana, a cow be biaso. Intino say, obey the witness, a banner say, we now hear cross-examination. We won't come about Faswa. Obey discrediting her. Obey the word here is this, obey discrediting her. One her case, no. Obey man or fan ready.
Okay. Precision in some witnesses go under oath. Into as a witness, you swear that everything you say, AW. Sorry, make my render rights. But you swear so beka nothing but the truth. No can beka me boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Into as a witness now I swear no. Now which you say me asimesi me. Na after court ni you who say wono asimesi no kra no. Wonim ni baby a wonye ne busuani asem ni bi keke na beka ya. What will be the course of action?
So depending upon time, there's a hand of fraud na bem no.
Yeah, fraud in Abem, but the fraud was not discovered till after the court proceeding.
That's how I do my chance here. I may say fraud vitiate everything.
Okay.
So if the findings has a weight on the case there, you can go and set the judgment aside.
Okay.
And you can apply through the supervisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. So my country said the Supreme Court has been clear, say whenever there is a nullity, whenever there is a fraud, it can be quashed at any time. To a dance here pass nipa we no or bemu no nye nipa also yena obey yena over grounds there. You just go straight to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court can quash everything, obey Judy nego. Because if you do not appeal it until be an window. But the supervisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court there, it does not end. Article 132. And the only time be which Makwame Jurego. So if you have proof, and you which my that's a law.
Okay.
Akosua, me bajo, my visa personal question bako. Prestige bajo.
Personal question to me.
No, prestige name.
Maybe I can make us a me answer. I plead the fifth.
So no team. Say you
I plead the fifth. May answer the fifth. Kasa.
Yeah, ni mo jabre.
You me mama cash. No, my cash. This is me business session. Say, na me unsa o kase team dobro ni timi encounters you because of time and no more that window na open one, right? But me person me bisa question say be am fan say only be a court issue now open at 7 no now it take time and so when you're not 7 that time ni nyina no is it a way say court make ma cancel case nana
Maybe say your process in 7 no the mechanic first man can to me can me say I could not say obet must start a fresh appeal.
Okay.
And then I can say time na pound.
No. No, I mean, make can process in 7. Say be out be 7. Not say take time as when you're not 7. Is it the way the court can throw the case away?
Me about there be. Yeah, what?
We're not kind of question for. Sorry.
Yeah, different. No, maybe they need a different crowd. I'm just saying a different thing.
Your process of 7. Your process of 7. Say bailiff, or attempted service, proper service, 3 times. And that's it. When you mean any pana, you apply for substituted service. And then who apply? That's a court grant mawa. You best serve any panel through the media, through technology, through whatever possible means under the earth, or sorry, under the sun, on this earth. Say Nipanos no that time no. Say Koba say yantin in can. You can go for the full judgment.
Okay. Oh, okay.
But President, me pesa say siano appeal we no mo cause siano sa Anthony ni witness no so mo de omo be gira bio enye court paper no na free we no na ombe court through into it and now ombe sa be gira bio.
But it depended. Me de me say so more admit fresh evidence there. A baby is a crime. It depended upon senior. Normally there, young fair witness be normally. But say fresh evidence, a court not admitted there. Then the court should allow for cross examination. That's what I say.
That's it. Oh, Blôôdy, tá bem da lumba.
Mama de mama.
Yeah, expand it. Instead of saying expand. No more grabata. I'll call branches.
Oh, branches, oh. Sir. Blôôdy, on Jimmy.
Tell me, a question, Anna.
Akosua, you wedding near your wife, Pacho.
Me, William said at the end of my
see you wedding near your buying your cryo.
Well, Colania me, when you lawyers are me, when you lawyers are me, what bet me I am me. I'm a best several one time for your mind. Don't even try. We will lawyers are me. Then I'm Pacho a question, Anna, to my pill.
Yeah, since I got
Mama guys,
what compare that for from my Yesuba?
And now from here.
Said it no she.
Send his sisters and no better this camera and now I'm
oh, so we know your president didn't be so.
Every mama cash.
Anna
hab na koho.
Hab.
Akosua me pacho Akosua.
You mustn't iron board.
What
almost an ironing board next to you.
I go from platform near can't take me why. It's Akosua.
I was an ironing board next year. Who do you want to be? And I say,
and someone can so, Mr. Ike, me pacho kasawai.
Okay, Mendas. I think that made me who say, Bibi say, appear no more canina, now there be basso.
But Abasu, why?
Abasu.
Mako here, much of the deal to Abasu 11th of June.
I'm misinformation why man can answer.
Something that you read for me, kind, but 11th June, the airport.
Me study there, but all the same, no, so Abasu cry and change Bibia.
So we are best science go down a bit to the near few.
Now, what the idea? Mutu amode
no do boni to no de ere
enya ne lumba maneti na do boni no akosi sa ngofo bi
na sa akosi asewa so de me betlem
akosi asewa ma o mo ba ho na o mote ndie na ha be no
eja video mu nyina betena
this akosi asewa na person obetena ho bia no aba na wa oni abusuapanyi na akoka na eje ya pe wa room bia
say again no be ya mienu wait for akosi asewa
Minia sebe api no mbeko wo munko ensesa hwe kra me sebe ye nyina ye before Ekopie court no yente ho asinti ne court chire mu pefi se esanse yentimi amfa awarenka ta ekire se yenkwa ne ye yiramenti no ode court sem anase mmara aware beto nchen no wabefa yenye bibifo ye yamamere enti mani mienu obi atimi kodi kuna ni bi enti se wonkwa na wo de sebe wo nyansa wo adwene na wo sese kuna no wonni bi na yekosie nipa ni wi a sebe die biom na wo asan aka ma sisi ya wo de yekọ yabu asem na mama me Akosua Serwaa nti okutulu mbafunu no abeyi kuna na tebi se ye ukunu no na mpa sebe ye de bia meka se obie ni ho wo wi ase a ho oba e bi one na twempna mpo e bi kro o mango ana be ma ne na twempna wango ne se wo wa akwanya se utimi ko na yi ase e wo bra ba wi ase no wo kra wi ase akwa ubeko hobi na wo de wa anko bi na watimi atena Germany anaso o man foforo so ni esi papa na wie eni na enu ani nansa na wo watimi afu plenya ba Ghana abeje wani se de wo pewu me ka se du me bi wa fine ye ka se saman wo ho ne sa ne wane me e bi asaman bi olumba saman ne kura ni trim na ya asempa na nka sa abire nka ma me ne kura etimi tro lumba din edin sembi so anka so ofre no ma ne ba asaman no obetiri se wo court wa ka tro so ko ne koye kuna ni bi ko sie kuna chiwie na yen hwe de wa akiri oni buo ma court no because of say some kophobia or more control unti ultimate na Germany ema oma etwa plane ticket baby sie o mo papa nti ene no se be enye o man no asomdue na wo mpe na wo pese wo ha court no no munya tam wo ho a okwa api no okwa mana e ko se san de baade
na obi ko plane right a no so disturb your mind no
me bacho right ben the chance ko fa authentic no bra
no how man no how man asum bi o kwan bezo
me bacho hwe me no mienu e ko 1 year ni tie ni yo e ko 1 year ni discussion na e wo TikTok a e wo soro pa sisi e lumba ishi
na sama me no fro bi azo bi discuss o pa bi timi adum fo no ada nti ye na e ha ho nya ma me na go ha obi a
o dem bajo se wo wa nu mo fo ana o discuss
e timi na ba bi ka se ma me na ha me e me na me ha me bu na me ha me no
minu ameba e kire se ye wo nipa bi o mu hia nchirikire mu nti na wa se wadaje a me kan se wo chirikire education meneu ene nipa bi we kire bi aye ntine me bi ase baade wo kire ne boaye ntine ye se ya daji tie bi
in this case na kwan beso na maame na fa so ha wo na obi kire wo mu no maame no ha wo kwan beso
the whole attention that we Ghana at this time about 8 months to 1 year ni no ni nyina ye rumba asem ana ne
ho ho sesi akwa awade no mudi manu ewo traditional way no be sabonu me awade se o ma ko hunsa no e be sabonu
me ka de bia se e bia on fine edume bia me lumba de me fa ne se we prophets no ya na omo ne ma bibiro ho a unya ntiase nti me de ekoso bia ni ho e heda ha me ba se ukotena se a lumba ma edisisin ema yehu baabi a niema bi wo lumba ma sabi obi o Germany no so okodi ne birthday o Ghana die nti a opeso ni nuamo nketewa mu nyina aka bom na odi ne birthday eno no yekodi na tem kwan bibiri so na ni nyina na me say upa o mo mfa asem no nko The Hague enchenji hwe The Hague na ye wiase nyina yi ne korense sa hwe na nti se ukọ ya bi o Ghana court no bu Ghana court se ubu Ghana court wa enka court se koye yi a unkoye nwie na watie de bebe akiri na enne wo so ko Ghana court omo mesi omo eyi omo ye ni nyina enye US no omo koye de be ndebe okoje cap wo ho a omo ko peja fragi ade na Germany ne de onkoye bi wo
okoje cap wo US ada waka no boy we
women say a widow work up no na kwaji no US no one who peja frag no one who be
also the na make up no kona nim kama
yeah you sabe who the who ye ni na say who ye be
o ze na mi defend ha boy
ya de akoyi kuna
me pese owie nti owie a mama me chance o me pe na brako
ejime no
mom asem we yahu de be ma asem we so be try say time will come ni baomu no be jira as a witness ema mu papa na secret bia na wasem we no me fi sa na beba o just say sa na beba koramu no be ba ebe kasa time will come let's wait
mini abema on se hwe ebelumba hye esukochem na ya amamra asem sisi ameno ka se opa on se kwa api na ampa na maame na ama court ni nyinam gi se maame na abeginam ne ba sensem bi ebebusa ne bona obekwa akodem on se nu ntina ma first yi no na damfo no ba on se nsem bi ebusa na
fa odo wa no si na ama
ya jitum se nsem bi anye ni nyina na oye power of atomy no obehu niema bebere nti fine court no be fa ne say yes na ese kono because se obusa odama onini hia na ne nkuta hudie de enye wono ane gina ho no but we no wono ane be ba be gina adake se nipa bi etu no for de a omumani hu ne stand at this time wani je kura pese oji olumbe wu achi nyina so waje
ocho so ocho ntro kura po se
ni ba ike wa ba Ghana beje wa ko US akwaje njize o pe ni biem na ekwa akwaje
ano pese ocho ntro kura po se mini papa no ya da date se no o be kwa omudi no be ko hospital ekoye no exam
I get that agwama for be so baby I me den e me ba so baby I me den e cap no say e bia ono na captain ye na oje ya na say
eno na nya cap e kuru
akwaje no US awie
akwaje kuru
so eni asiwe na namba cho mi nti we na so kasim bia na obisa na so
yeah dabeda membisa question me twe ubia adwen akobibiso because say pina wo hono mo a omadwen yom say case na wo court no is only about Akosua Serwaa na adwen course say case na wo court no statement of claims no ayetu na ebi mu adwen free so say Odobroni made a counter claim 27th October 2025. Usiki for 3 reliefs and 2 were granted and 1 was refused. Intense will be kwa appeala. Menfo we ni share ne marriage certificate pe. Say no ho asem no kwa akoka. Ope on challenge verdict on a marriage certificate, but Obaba be challenge wo counter claim. That is one thing that I was so be an adwin koso, because me who say appeal discussion, you know, everybody must adwin was say, oh, some certificate on my to me authenticate into no to me find new certificate be amba, but a bimu refi say obi a counter claim. Sa counter claim no judgment on it no they can decide say appeal no more no a counter claim side no more mon conclusion paragraph 6 a counter claim was made on the 27th October 2025 whereby Odobroni sought the court 3 reliefs. 1 was refused
and 2 were granted. And the results of it is in paragraph 164. It's stated there, where the judge said that the first relief will refuse it, but the second and third or granted no. In appeal no more, they can decide to ignore your Mami Akosua Serwaa ne legal status, knowing that they don't have any legs to stand on, and rather go and attack Odobroni as a customary marriage person. In ye discussion, ye broad and she be beer, and yes, I will be narrow-minded.
Nanagojo mame kakakra ntoni a wokan yi.
Nanagojo.
The first time I back, me cancer counter suit and wasem, and they told me say it was withdrawn. Every time I make a counter suit, yes, even I go ahead to specify the counter claims not make here. No, say it was withdrawn. To be that's the process. For we me not making power.
So what we are saying, what we are saying, Odobroni, you are not sure. Selma Warinu me, I don't understand all these things.
Oh, she claims say Akosua Serwaa nyejwe. That was the one that was
again, no name person kasa. I deal with my secret bebrebe out. What I say again, person kasa only beba 1990 years old them. Beba no only munkomo bebre no only beba no di. Ebe mama me we kraba ko problem more. To me,
Mama Cash, and no crowd is just a matter of time.
Entina mika said the nebe mu at long last. Akodamu who say, Omu mami, person who omu mami kitwenu to destina. Akoranu bebem.
I like the way I'm more Odobroni for more dream for Akosua Serwaa more than Odobroni. No, I just it baffles me because Mama Cash show. Odobroni was yeah, kachese mame ne nyira ka ye call first court no ko produce Odobroni. That was the first relief or asking the court say mame ne nyira ti yambo ni bi we ni nyina ntungu na yen declare no as wife. It is a obibia enya appeal no na nkobet so obi nkonko file ansa na odiaba. And so obibi so na so the beba. You cannot say Akosua Serwaa so to no nation no do so no oko appeal. Let's give time some time. My aunt na some say na mama ne ye beche no and na mama ne ye be ni say as mo kan some say
me kasa mama no ye beche no me kasa mama no ye beche no
na say mama na ye bone say o ye we ni ye beche na ye beche no mama ma ye fan be hye wana na akokọ te me claim me say me nkwa me ye yere nti ye so ko ye no wakọ say me nkwa me ye yere nti ye kwache no ehunehuna na do so dodo
mama bi za question. Well, no me fast me kwanto so. Asemo ya ye ken. Sa judges no more tena asem so. Don't forget some so mo mma wo. Enti no say ye the law no to nchema mo right kakra so be ba mo. Omo be reason to judge this thing. And yes, enti wono no wo ba na so ni obi atena 6 years o be ka say so mpam no na wo on declare wo.
Enti never going to happen anywhere. Na ne baba na wo just a year no ba foforo boru ani baba yiri mu a e wari mu a
just a year be
so bet na wa ka say
obetu no ofie
20 years
na obi dimi obi no bia wo na nwa
mo ma men kasa
obi no bia wo na nwa
bacho ubisa na semti man
Wanya abotre why
abukasa
morality no judge ni bi no so wo baba no so betimi aka say 2005 mama ne wo ne ba last born according to court document no Odobroni share that the number somewhere 206 207 enti ma Odobroni boru mama na wa during that time say mama
sa word na was
say mu no be
say obi
aboru court verdict instead of me Odobroni boru mama na wa so betimi stand on morality. So let's not talk about morality say judges no kwamba morality on the side say obi ni obi atina 6 years and obi ni obi atina 19 years.
The point is certificate alone is not enough. There's responsibility
initially now who say mama ni any papa ni Nigeria at a point you came to know as of 2025 you have come to know say papa no worry.
Bajo lumba onye otimi ware more than one. Did you okay can nka de work out no ho.
Ti don enti akokasa morality mama
it's never going to happen in Ghana. That's the point I'm trying to make. It's never going to happen.
Enti na court no say munyina mo yere mo nkodi kuna. Wo so ni bi. No, we are not who is in the Okoya.
Sometimes the solution be the wood depart.
I'm not uncle, and not only certificate. Uncle. I feel Oko, Moses
Dear Mitchell say we a higher way a discern a Obi oni me bia nim from day one that the lumber we bia nim say when discussion be bar na ye ko I draw people's attention to be also Obi oni bia nim say na me kono no I am only drawing attention to say appeal na ye kono. It's not only about certificates because counter obi a counter claim odobroni mami odobroni a counter claim, and when you do a counter claim you too know the burden of proof is on you. If these people says they are appealing the whole judgment, they can decide say legal wife stance no you appeal wo you need grounds, but we can challenge Odobroni as a customary married woman. So that is where I want you Obiaso again some call say appeal no it's not only about say certificate, because omobe to me based on prestige cited paragraph 88 no omobe to me who say paragraph 88 no ebubu omompre, so they will not fight for the legal status way. But then they will fight against the counterclaim Odobroni made. In discussion now, yema ya adwen so nko. Na pi wo munim say paragraph 6 no. It was a counterclaim by Odobroni. A lot of people do not know because me saying man verify. The only thing that we knew was that or your counterclaim no redraw ye.
Nana Bacho also I think so yeah three
akramo me pacho asamwe Tuesday just nearby and Sunday.
Oh, say Mama Cash Tuesday number by so be to me
I a big platform. Yeah, I have a big platform. Say yeah the number file first. Uti the no,
I am not talking about the filing assem. I'm talking about what is in the judgment, which a lot of people do not know, which a lot of people has misinformed people that Odobroni claim no or redraw. Now make us say it is stated in paragraph 6 and judge and my judgment on it in paragraph 164. Until she didn't withdraw it. It's a fact that I'm making.
Then I'm say mama no ever so Jan marriage certificate no man to nja as so ko prove so illegal no to nja na mo ko attack Odobroni say yan why na why did tell me kwan fa so why cost na say waja tum say customary no no ye yire o na amamre nso man ho kwan say be ma de unya ade tum say ye ware wo fie de utumi ware bi kan ho di obede na wa kire say lipa smith yan ware no kwan be so na abafa so a kire say yan ware no e kwan we so nti ono so nya ye
no be two questions say young fan say asama me ba bekan I am just presuming me ye case study keke young fan say ye ni aye customary wives Nese me kwa appeal na minim say me legal status no me kokoya paragraph 88 be destroy me. Now no I'm coming to punch holes in your witness. See, and yes, I besi you medical asem. Say I'm coming to punch hole in your only witness that came to witness your customary marriage. Internet say bani say Munti you me say bani say they have any information, new information about the only witness of Odobroni, and they take it to appeal court. It means a Munti appeal court no. You see, so be to make the fresh evidence be a bar. And was say a year evidence be a time I started run. You didn't know. You had no means of knowing. And a judgment in a series and a fee wa babe who intended who quite say we apply to the court on share fresh evidence with. And I made drunk of attention to it say based on paragraph 88 so muko so muko akokon about the legal status na omuna na ebubum dada momo wiawia. But there's another angle that omu betumi akọ. No maka say fine customary marriage dey yeah. But Odobroni need the yempene no mpo no so nya customary marriage wife no nya co-wife. So now we are going to attack that counter claim. Odobroni anya counter claim and can be different because immediately you do counter claim the burden of proof shifts to you. So they can decide to forget about their own claim and now focus on paragraph 6 and attack it because the paragraph 6 Odobroni first one or can say Akosua say well I think I stand to be corrected in the first relief was to say Akosua say well which the judge refused it. And the second one or state say you are customary. What you say, and the third one, I'm winning them in him, but will be able to me. Paragraph 6 is all about Odobroni and then the counter claim. Paragraph 6 is all about. And the paragraph 164, a judgment, a judge and a ma based on paragraph 6. To paragraph 164, no, Oche will me say. Odobroni first relief now or seeking it there we refuse to but the second and third and there or granted man. What you say? Making her a surviving spouse is stated in 164. Internal may draw people's attention that these people know very well that they don't have a certificate. No, they will ignore their certificate. Mate, let me add now the question. They can ignore almost certificate to fight, and rather focus on paragraph 6. Our appeal court.
Maybe more question. Now, sir, the Erika Bayon, Nana, more question, sir. 1991 no be wali Blôôdy. Said there are some way giant. Nana Heleno. Here now, a coya could do Supreme Court or Supreme Court can say no a wale and no far on Bawale as a mojan and crackers or
MPA or court. Let's go there and when
make and your court together, but the babies have a question. But there's a mojan there no. And the babies have a question. Now, Obi Wale 1991 or 1994. No Wale Blôôdy, no so found by a traditional wedding. Our Ghana. Api ebetima bema na obi di bema court betima jatu says our traditional wedding so on void and no court
and no so ye obi no so ni argument obey wo appeal court say and no your fresh evidence now winning because the thing is that evidence should be evidence and during the trial you didn't know and you had no means of knowing. What do you say? Question de la. Next Shindela, and crata no so my certificate no de ban Shindela was so. Wow. You had the knowing of a marriage to Cinderella. Why didn't you bring the attention of the so ko boss Cinderella so? My certificate, you know. Edin Cinderella no was so. Why didn't you bring it to the attention of the court? And I do appeal na wo baba beka or na warrior with Cinderella.
Sir, ono no nim ekire na ono so akoye enhwemu ene wo.
It should be it should be something that you wouldn't cry. And you didn't have any means of knowing. And afi and you have been brought to the known. What you say? Yeah. And yes, easy, sir. What I'm not arguing with you. I will not argue with you. Nipako no apply. A justice, no, or almost right whether to accept it or not. Right.
Yeah. So who say it will not be just word of mouth. What will be here documents? I checked during that time near. And also I see appeal. You almost submitting new documents.
We see it.
Mami kasi biche.
Nana Yesu abacho akwaba nana bacho nyapte sana abacho.
Mami kasi biche.
Nana nyabote bacho sana abacho. Nana Yesu akwaba bacho maiti wa.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Na me ka bibi kakra about Nana Kujo Kayan. I bet to differ a bit from Nia Orca said. Sorry, me I'm fine why. I bet to differ a bit said. Nia Orca said or move to me account claim me customary marriage. It can never be done. Reason from my perspective. Please let me finish. Let me finish my submission. Thank you.
That is not what I said.
Can I finish my submission, please? Thank you. Nyameka say I get your point to say we should look at that angle. And now Miss Meche say that angle no crano.
It can't be touched. Madam, that is not what I said. That's what
okay,
I want
whatever. It's okay. There is no need to shout. Me say whatever you are saying, you know, I agree with you, sir, if I didn't say the right word. However, when it comes to customary marriage, Wagana, we have different types. A constitutive customary marriage. Inti, sir, even if the witness, you know, we will say, on your credible, ebi anasa mo obeka you know, what punchy holes in it. Mind you, Odoboni lived with Lumba.
So
I never said you said that. I never said you said that. No, you are not listening to me. Me say, even if omo punchy holes in the witness, not omo kase onya credible, not you Nana Kojo. I am talking about Akosua Serwaa, ne lawyers no. So omo punchy holes crampa. The fact is that Odobroni any Lumba tnaye under the same roof more than 6 months, you know, automatically, Odobroni doesn't even need a witness for her to be your friend is saying, Obia Yawareno. We all schooled in Ghana. Yes, yeah, types of marriages. I'm surprised, Sakis when Uncle say, I feel no mwate and Pnachia warrior. We learned all this back in JSS. So, to me counterclaim or you cannot go and say maybe Odobroni counter suit or counterclaim no maybe be punchy holes in it. It can never happen. It will not happen. Anyway, we should just leave it to time and see what will happen. Thank you guys.